Hello guys, this is Nitish from Arrowtech, and in this video I'll be unboxing the iPhone 8 Plus. And before I proceed, let's see what else is mentioned on the box. Okay, over here we have the Apple logo. On the side it says iPhone, and then in the top we have the logo again. In the bottom it says 64GB, which is the base variant in the iPhone 8 Plus. Unlike the iPhone 6s, where you get the 16GB as your base variant, and the iPhone 7 you get the 32GB variant as your base variant. Okay, now let's quickly unbox the phone. First, let me open the box. Okay, we get some paper stuff over here. It says designed by Apple in California. A few more paper stuff inside it. Let me keep all these things to a side and pull the phone out of the box. Okay guys, so this is the iPhone 8 Plus. Looks cool actually. Feels good in your hand too, and a bit heavy also. For time being, let me keep this phone to a side and have a look at the accessories provided in the box. Okay, so these are the Apple AirPods, and we get the adapter too, through which you can use the 3.5mm AirPods in the iPhone 8 Plus, since there is no dedicated headphone jack. And this is the lightning cable, and this is the travel adapter provided by Apple in the box. And to be frank, actually this adapter doesn't support fast charging. Though the iPhone 8 Plus supports fast charging, the adapter given in the box doesn't support fast charging. So if you need a fast charging adapter, you need to spend extra money on it. Okay, so now let's keep all the accessories to a side and move to the handset itself. Okay guys, so this is the iPhone 8 Plus. Looks cool actually, has a glass back as well. Okay, now let's have a quick physical configuration overview. I'll start from the top. On the top we have nothing, and then on the side we have the power on off button and then the SIM card tray. In the bottom we have the charging port and the stereo speakers. On the other side we have the silent toggle button used to switch between general mode and silent mode, and then the volume rockers button. Okay guys, so let's switch on the phone, and before I switch it on, I just want to give an important note. That is, if you're planning to buy this phone, please buy a shockproof case also, because this phone has a glass back, a shockproof case like this one. Because when you drop this phone down, there are chances of either the screen cracking or the glass back. So in order to avoid such accident, if you use a shockproof case like this one, it will be good. Okay, so now let's switch on the phone, and by the time I boot this device and set it up, let's have a quick specs overview. The iPhone 8 Plus is powered by the Apple A11 Bionic chip, which is a 6-core chip, and moving to the RAM, we get 3GB of RAM and 5.5-inch Full HD IPS screen and 64GB of internal storage. And moving to the SIM card, we can insert single nano SIM, and moving to the camera, we get 12MP dual rear camera and 7MP front camera and 2691 mAh battery and Touch ID iOS 11 and IP67 water resistant. Okay guys, so I finished setting up this device now, and I've installed few apps also, like the Savan, speed test and few more. First, let me adjust the brightness of the display. Yeah, now it's fine. Let's head into settings, general, iPhone storage. Over here it says 8.2GB of 64GB use, which means roughly around 56GB of free space is available, which is really good actually. Let's go back. I generally like the user interface in iPhones. It looks good actually. Okay, now let's test the Touch ID of this phone. Yeah, the Touch ID was really fast and responsive. And this phone has a dual camera setup and a quad LED setup as well, which means the brightness will be very high. Okay, so now let's test the camera of this phone. Let me click a pic of this wireless mouse which is next to me. And this phone has that zoom in option also, like this. Okay, let me focus it. The shutter speed was really fast. Okay, the pics came out very well actually. And these were the few pics that were shot on the iPhone 8 Plus, and this is the portrait mode in outdoor lighting conditions. And this one was shot during the video, and these were a few pics that were shot in the indoor lighting conditions. And this is my iPhone 6s, which is my primary phone actually. And these were the few pics in outdoor lighting conditions. In outdoor lighting conditions, the camera was really very good actually. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you end up liking this video, please give us a big thumbs up and hit on the subscribe button, and also hit on the bell icon to become a part of our notification squad.